Today on Brett's Brand, I'm going to give you one more sales tip, and it's understand the buying process of your customer. And that means understand how many steps it's going to take and who needs to sign off on things from the first time you talk to them until the money's in your bank. And it's really important because you can start working on things simultaneously. You don't have to necessarily go from one meeting to the next, to the next, to the next. If in that first meeting you understand the entire process that you need to go through, you can start working down different paths in parallel. Maybe you need to do data security checks. Maybe you need to do other tech checks. Maybe you need to have insurance. Maybe you need to get sign off from both the people that are on the ground that are actually going to use your product and the money side of the business. Start having those conversations simultaneously. It's obviously more important in enterprise sales because there's usually far more touch points. If you're selling to small companies, sometimes you can get to that first person and just that's the buyer right there and they can just say yes or no. But understand that full sales process. If you don't, you're not going to know how long your sales cycle should be. It's going to turn into poor financial planning and even worse projections than is standard in entrepreneurship, and you might run out of money. So understand the sales process and get all of the paths started in parallel, and that should help speed up your sales cycle.